1980, it is not implemented properly in Tamil Nadu. Intra-state migrant labor, interstate migrant labor are engaged in many industries. They are not given proper accommodation. In the industry itself, see, this industry which the accident is happened, it is chemical industry. In the chemical industry, food processing is based on the chemical process. So there is no proper arrangement for the housing facility. They are accommodated in the campus itself. It is improper arrangement. Factories inspector have not visited frequently. They have visited 20-25 December. After this December investigation, there is no such investigation is taken place. Because of this, management has given license to mishandle the all secured arrangement, all safety arrangement. This is complete violation. This kind of attitude from the management and from the labor department should be stopped immediately. This is what our basic demand. The fourth point is, for the migrant labor, they should register properly. They should register, and every employee should be deposited 25,000 in the name of the migrant labor. As per the act, they have to, the management has to, or the agent has to deposit at the migrant labor employees board. But it is not happen anywhere. It is also violation. So we completely condemn this all violations. Final thing is that BJP government has introduced the new labor code, which is under implementation from April 1, 2026. It is also giving free license for the core exploitation of the core from the migrant labor. See, in this industry, Directorate of Industrial Safety and Health have not visited for 6 months. Hereafter, there is no need to visit. All management, whoever having factory, they can certify themselves. My factory is clearly following every safety and health measures. So self-certification is empowered by the Modi government. It is condemned one. It should be condemned. It should be withdrawn. This kind of misappropriate activity should be stopped. This is what our demand.